to add negative numbers. So it's going to basically be the same method we were doing before with adding positive numbers. So let's say we had negative 2 minus 3. We're going to start at the negative 2. So we're going to start right here. And then we're going to go, now when we go minus 3, left is negative. So left is negative. I want you to print that in your brain. Right is positive. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So if we do negative 2 minus 3, start at negative 2. We're going to go 3 to the left. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's going to be negative 5. Good, 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 good. I'm going to use a different color. Apologize. We're going to superimpose another problem on this. Let's say we had negative 1 minus 7. So again, we're going to start at negative 1. We'll start here, negative 1. That's where we're going to start. And I'm going to go 7 to the left. So I'm going to go this kind of beneath way. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we land at negative 8, so that must be our answer. So negative 1 minus 7 is negative 8. Now, I do recommend using number lines to add negative numbers because at first it's a little funky, and then you start visualizing the number line in your head, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, good luck, guys.